その技術によって人に喜んでいただくということこそ本当の技術でございます。
The Civic has long served as a Honda laboratory for advances in racing as well as street-legal high performance. And the Type R represents the pinnacle of those efforts. For 4 generations spanning 20 years, the Civic Type R provided thrills for driving enthusiasts, but only in Asian and European markets. The first Civic Type R, based on the 3-door hatchback body style, debuted in 1997 with a 182 horsepower engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and a helical limited slip differential. The second generation, also a 3-door hatch introduced in 2001, upped the output to 197 horsepower channeled through a 6-speed stick and featured a stiffer structure as well as firmer dampers and springs. A sedan body style took up the Type R mantle for the 2006 3rd Gen with a 222 horsepower engine, lower weight and increased emphasis on aero performance with a front diffuser and large rear wing. Turbocharging arrived for the launch of the 4th generation Type R in 2015. A 306 horsepower blowtorch sporting a 5-door hatchback body and making a vast leap in technology with a dual-axis front suspension, adaptive dampers, and a 3-mode drive system featuring the +R button for racetrack settings. And the 5th generation of the Type R built upon those advances to create a pavement-scorching projectile that finally touched down on American asphalt in 2017. The Civic Type R is the fastest, most powerful Honda ever sold in America. And it undergoes several updates to keep it on the leading edge for 2020. You can spot one of those changes from a long way off. The Aegean blue exterior paint that's common to other models has been replaced by a unique to Type R color called Boost Blue Pearl. Up front, the redesigned grille features a bigger opening, the better to cool that fire-breathing 306 horsepower turbo beast under the hood. Plus, the inserts in the front fascia have a sportier new look. The front brakes comprise new 2-piece discs designed to further enhance cooling for smooth, consistent stopping performance. The Type R's side mirrors are now heated for greater clarity. Plus, they receive integrated LED turn indicators to make the driver's intentions more conspicuous. In back, the rear bumper inserts have a new, more aggressive shape. And the Type R's unique dual-axis front and multi-link rear suspension now features refined tuning for better road holding, a smoother ride, and improved body control when cornering. There's more news in the 2020 Civic Type R's cabin. Climb into one of those high-bolstered sports seats and you'll notice that select trim panels receive a new surface treatment for a techier look. The steering wheel is now wrapped in a new, only-on-Type R material that offers a grippier feel. The 6-speed manual transmission, which offers rev-match control for slick downshifting, features a shift knob that's been reshaped for improved feel and accuracy in gear changes. The Type R serial number plate behind the shifter, of course, remains as a confirmation of this car's elite status. Active sound control has been added to provide cabin occupants with an even more energetic earful. The Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver-assistive features is now standard on the Civic Type R to enhance driving confidence and convenience. Plus, auto high-beam LED headlights now make it easier to blister some pavement at night. And exclusive to Type R is the cool new LogR app that can help drivers improve their technique on the track. It has a performance monitor that provides vehicle info through the display audio touchscreen. Log mode records lap times on the track, and Auto Score helps encourage smooth driving by monitoring braking, acceleration, and steering, and comparing it to data generated by professional Honda drivers. There's even a new full-on race car version of the Civic Type R available from Honda Performance Development. Called the Type R TC, this turnkey racing machine comes ready to compete in select touring car classes with up to 330 horsepower and all kinds of high-speed modifications. Get all the details at hpd.honda.com. The exhilarating 2020 Civic Type R. It's just the latest Honda to harness the power of dreams.